I think you had to start the video. Hey guys, it's your boy Adam. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some Pokemon Brick Bronze. Click this real quick. She loads faster. Loud game, loud. Oh, it's Shinobi Life. Shinobi Life is pretty cool on me. You guys could check it out. You know, we're trying to play 8th Gym Pokemon. Trying to play Pokemon Brick Bronze BTA. So guys, just gonna hit loud right there, man. This is my laptop, man. Ooh, that sounds. Sound. I'm not sure if you guys could hear it. Okay, Pokemon. Okay, what's that thing right there? Brick Bronze. Okay, yeah, let's get on to it. Click to play. Why is it called Pokemon? Adam, trainer, Pokedex, new game. Alright, you are starting a new game. I don't care. Not sure, blah blah. Alright, are you sure you want to start a new game? Oh yeah, no, not at all. Holy no. Alright, show me the world. Dang, can you skip to this? Who is that guy? He ruined the whole thing, man. Get off of it. People be playing this game, and you right there with your ugly self ruin it. Alright, what's this place? Is this a barn? Okay, he's going, am I creeping at somebody? Oh, I'm creeping at me. Whoa, wait. Why am I sleeping? Hey, yo, man. Oh, look, I love the animation. Yo, dude, why'd you do the clock, man? That's money. Oh, wait! Ugh. And look, I have the I can't believe Tolia has finally come. What? Today I get my first Pokemon. The Pokemon Professor. I have always dreamed of setting out on my own adventures with the Pokemon. What the heck? Why did you say Pokemon with Pokemon by my side? You had to do it like that. There are so many Pokemon in this world. I hope to discover them all one day. Oh, I'd better get going. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to fill out my trainer card. Alright, what am my name's gonna be? I am. I put Savage. Yeah, Adam Savage. Yep. I just put my name. Alright. Adam, did you write this correctly? Yes, I did. I sure did. Savvy. Awesome! I'm that much closer to officially being a Pokemon trainer. Alright, man, come on, guys. Thank you for playing. Okay, thank you. Look at Pikachu. He's so nice to me. So savvy. Whoa. Oh, hey, Adam. It's me, Jake. I don't know you. I can't believe we're getting our first Pokemon today. On my way to the lab, I can get mine right now. Oh yeah, your parents want to see you before you went to the lab. I saw them pass my house earlier heading towards the digging site. Hurry and go talk to them. I'll be waiting for you at the lab. Alright, man, thank you. Wait, why is everybody... Nah, it doesn't matter why everybody's fat here. She could like shift and sprint. Bing! Hey, yo, parents, y'all talk to me? Well, thought I'd take care of it. Well, we have to keep a secret for everyone's safety. You're right. It's too dangerous for anyone to go down there. I don't think anybody about this. Wait, what? I misread that. Maybe we can tell that new professor. Maybe you're right. Oh yeah, whoa, wait. Oh, I don't know you people. You startled me. Who are you? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna give them two a voice. You started with me? Hey, Trump. Today's your day you get your first Pokemon. We are so happy for you, sweetie. Sorry we didn't meet you at home. We just discovered something in the cave last night. Oh. We just discovered something in the cave last night. I'm not gonna say this word. That's gives me a hard time saying that word. And it's archaeologist. I don't want to say that word. It sucks. Your mother and I are very through in our work. That's right. That's right. But enough talking. Let's head down to Professor's lab and pick your very first Pokemon. Bruh. We'll see you later there. No, yo, man, I'm gonna beat y'all. No, I hate guys like, come on, they gonna race? Come here. Why are they? This ain't school. Why are you walking in a straight line? Look at this. They're walking in a straight line. Come on. It's Saturday. Stop walking in a straight line, you weirdos. Hey, look, Saturday. Oh my God, they're staring. What? They didn't really make me. Hello, my name's Professor Cypress. No, you sound like a squeaky guy with the glass. Hello, my name's, and I am the new professor in Mystic Town. I'll be your. Oh, bet you're in it, Adam. I'll bet you're Adam. I'll bet you're Adam. Your friends were just telling me about you. We just walked in at the same time. What the heck? I mean, I gave the fat dude I barely know tell something about me because he's like, hey, Mr. Donuts. But you know, how the heck do you know me like in 5 seconds? You must be very excited to be getting your first Pokemon today. Bruh, how'd you know that? We technically walked in at the same time. There are a few things you must know about Pokemon first. He's gonna catch them all, man. Pokemon are your friends, and we grow alongside them. They grow, in some cases, evolve and change from as you battle with them. Your Pokemon will grow love you as adventure with them. Oh, that's cool. I never knew that before. Yes, and there are still many things that we don't know about Pokemon, sadly. Adam, who said that? Oh, Adam, I want you to know to pick a Pokemon that you will like to accompany you on your adventures. Make a choice from 21 different breeds. Can I just get a dog instead, please? Go ahead, now. Alright. This one's ugly, this one's ugly, this one's ugly. Next. I think this is the kicky one. I'll make you evolve. This is Torchy! Nah, I don't want him. You know, got any Lucarios here? Hey man, where's the Lucarios at, man? Man, then give me a little chicken. You want Torchy? Yes, I do. He could grow kicking at somebody. Excellent choice, Adam. Your new Pokemon's so cute! Okay, thank you. The Pokemon definition pollination battle, blah blah blah. I hope our Pokemon become best friends like we are. I don't know you. You're fat and I don't know you. Alright, Adam. Awaits you. Let me give you one other gift that will help you along your way. It's a Pokédex. It's blah blah blah. I don't want to really talk to you guys no more. You guys are aggravating, to be honest. Listening day, way, explore, blah blah blah. Have fun. So talk a minute. Okay, thank you. Hey man, I don't want to bat. Adam, hey Adam, wait up. How you saying it from right there? Dude, just walk up to me. We have a Pokemon now. Let's battle. Can I say no to this fool? I don't want to battle with you. I barely know you. Come on, man. I don't want to battle with you like this. I want to battle with our fists. Man. Man, look at my Torchy, man. There's Scratch and Bear. I thought this was a Pokemon. This ain't Charizard. What the heck? Okay. Scratch. You can use the Scratch. Yeah, boy. Eat my scratches. I'm gonna growl at him. I used to use tackle, but I use. I'm sorry, you tackle. Ember. And I use Ember. Dude, you're just too fire at him. You should be on fire or dying. Like, I'm pretty sure a Scratch. How is he scratching when he's lifting his... Dude, your attacks suck. Growl. Now I'm gonna die. What the heck did he use Growl for? Oh, look at that U1. Well, nice fighting. Here, let me heal your Pokemon. Yeah, thank you, fool. Don't, Adam, that was excellent battle. Your father and I will watch you while you have discussing things with the professor. Do I have to talk to these people too? I don't want to talk to them. They're pretty aggravating. Yeah, these people talk too much. Adam, we give something to you as a gift to celebrate. The month position. Okay, I don't care. If this gives me superpowers and I can run fast, this is bullcrap to me. Woman, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to this fat guy. Wow, that was really cool of your parents. Well, I'm not even sure those are my real parents. I'm black and they're white. I'm not being racist, but you know, that is true. That's the truth! Dude, I don't even want to talk to you people no more. I'm just spam clicking. This video's about to end in a couple minutes. Alright, come on, let's hurry up and do something before I got start doing in this video. What? Hey man, I don't want to talk to him. Dang it, I try not to talk to him. Oh my god, you see people just gonna be walking up to you? Watch, these people, look, see, if they weren't in a serious conversation, this fool right here, hey man, stop man, let's have a Pokemon battle. Dang it man, that was close. You know what, I need some. Alright, I need some Pokemon, so I'm gonna use Ember on this fool. Alright, I got a little lot. Alright. You got away safely. No harm, I'm gonna redo that fight. There you go, got him back. Man, I want a bunny. Hey man, I don't want a chicken, let's run away. You got away safely. Give me a real Pokemon I can play with. I want a bunny. It's a bunny? There you go. I bag. Alright, God. Alright, let me use some fight skills. Use Ember. Alright, let me go in my bag real quick. Let me see if my guy looks like those. Use this. Oh, I think I got him. Yeah, gotcha, caught. Now I'll give him a nickname. Bugs Bunny. Alright, cool. Fat boy, I don't want to talk to you. My god. You know what? After I battle this guy, man, when he ended here, I hate bugs. Who says I want to use him? My bag. Is he in my bag anyways? Pokemon. Let me use my bunny. Switch. Yeah, boy, you want to see my bunny war in action. Alright, come on, man. Bugs Bunny. I said bug. Hey, yo, dude, look. See, I'm with the bug. Look, bug. Bug Bunny. Like Bugs Bunny. I a fight.